Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of turnip cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, we've got you covered. From soil prep to harvest, let's grow turnips together. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Turnips love cool climate. Plant them in early spring or late summer for optimal results. Choose a well-draining soil with a pH level between 6 and 7.5. They prefer slightly sandy soil, so make sure it's nutrient-rich and ready for our turnip adventure. To ensure an even distribution of nutrients, use a garden fork or tiller to turn the soil. This helps create a loose, aerated environment for roots to explore. Enhance fertility by adding compost. This boosts growth, improves structure, and enhances water retention. Turnips thrive in soil that's prepped with care, so take the time to get it just right. It's time to get those turnip seeds in the ground. Create rows with 12 to 18 inches between them. Remember, the seeds should be at a depth of 1/4 to 1/2 inch and about 1 inch apart. Now, we've set the stage for turnip magic. Give them at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Keep the soil consistently moist, being mindful not to overwater. Embrace mulching as it retains moisture and keeps pesky weeds at bay. As our turnips grow, thin the seedlings for proper spacing. Boost their nutrition with nitrogen-rich fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Watch out for pests like flea beetles as they can pose a threat to the health of your plants. The big moment arrives. Harvest your turnips when they're firm and smooth, usually around 6 to 8 weeks after planting. Don't forget about those greens, they're delicious too. Freshness is the key, so store them in a cool, dark place. Now, let's talk about some turnip superstars. Purple top white globe for the traditionalists, Tokyo cross if you're into baby turnips, and Scarlet Queen Red for a sweet flesh and spicy red skin. Your turnip journey just got more exciting. Before we wrap up, a couple more tips. Turnips can benefit from planting with companion crops such as radishes, which deter pests and promote mutually beneficial growth. With these tricks up your gardening sleeves, you're on your way to turnip success. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to growing turnips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your turnip tales in the comments below. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.